Eric, we're Radiator Grille Store here with another install. This time for the C8 Stingray. We've got a Hysteria Purple here, and it's got a couple of our parts on there. We're going to go over those, but we're going to be installing the Radiator Grille Store premium engine cover. This thing looks incredible, and it's going to really pop on this Hysteria Purple, so come on with us. All right, we're going to get started. These are 10mm bolts. Make sure not to drop the screws. And we also have a little pad here to protect the paint while we're leaning on it. Now we're going to come in here underneath this little bar here, and we're going to use, you can find these trim tools in our store, and we're going to use the forked one. And we're going to get underneath there, give it a nice twist, twist it off, work it out. There we go. That is now removed. We can kind of pull that out of the way, and then we'll be able to pull up on our engine cover here. Get that out of the way. And there we go. One thing to note, this is how the HTCs come. So your hardtop convertible does not come with a cover underneath. So when you get the clear covers, you also need an engine cover for that. And they also do not have two of the bolts. So they are missing these rear two bolts. They have these bolts here and that bolt, but you'll just need to get two extra bolts either from GM or the hardware store, and then you'll be able to install your engine cover on a hardtop convertible. Before we get into the install, I want to highlight this piece of art. This is our premium engine cover that gives you multiple different options to color the base, the body, the stripes through here, the center pockets up through here. You can also do the rail, the color of the letters in different color, and then you also have a choice of matte or gloss. And just look at this. This is our hydro dip. And just look at this. It is a work of art. Look at that finish. Just gorgeous. And look at how it's going to pop with that Hysteria Purple. Look at that. Just gorgeous. So let's get into that install. With this work of art, we want to be very careful to finish. So we're going to we have a tube in the back here. We want to sneak it underneath. And then we'll have the brackets as well. So we'll get those out of the way. The bracket there. Come over on the side, get the bracket above. Get the tube out of the way here. Bring that in. And these are GM covers, so they come with all of the insulation just like from the factory. This is just a repainted in a beautiful fashion a GM cover. You can see that this one is done in the competition yellow with the hydro dip. Just looks amazing through here. We got the hydro dip carbon fiber through here. We got the carbon flash through the stripes here. Just beautiful. And then we're simply going to reinstall the push clip here and the 4 bolts, and the install is complete. Now here's the finished product. How gorgeous does that look? We also have the Radiator Grille Store rear fender panels here done in Hysteria Purple. Makes it look like the outside body paint just dripped right in the engine bay. We also have the rear window trim as well done in Hysteria Purple, plus the premium engine cover. Fantastic. Doesn't that just pop? just really draws your attention right to the engine bay and right to that engine cover. This is done in a comp yellow with a carbon fiber. We've got some carbon flash through the middle. Just a beautiful piece. This is our premium C8 Stingray and E-Ray engine cover. You can find these products and more in radiatorgrillestore.com.